Hi, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all of you. So this is a special video from our shikharatutorials. First, I want to say thanks to the each and every student who already enrolled to our classes, either face to face as well as online. And the second, I want to say thank you to the all faculties and admin staff and including material staff. Reason, we started this institution on June 21st. Within 2 months, exactly within these 2 months, we achieved 100 plus offline admissions. Sir, how 100 plus, sir? All levels. cmainter regular batch, CMA final December 25 regular batch, and CMA final June 2026 regular batch. I am not at all including EVO face-to-face admissions as well as revision exams face-to-face admissions. Yes, 100 already crossed. And coming to online, 1150 admissions are already crossed, including all courses. cmainter, CMA final books, cmainter, EVO batch, regular batch, and all, including revision exams also. Already we crossed 1150. So one more good news to all of you. Yes, we achieved 40 both groups admissions for the face-to-face batch for June 2026 examinations, CMA final. Yes, CMA final June 2026 examination, both group students, 40 we have. Yes, we are expecting to cross nearly 70 within next 1 week or 2 weeks. Online, yes, already online admissions are included here. Okay. Sir, is there any new thing? Yes, we want to give the offer. Yes. To online students. So that means to online students who wants to purchase the online courses. Sir, already every time you are announcing the offer, what is the new in this? Yes, I will tell you. What is the new in this is also, yes. Yes, big offer alert on that occasion of Vinayak Chaturthi. Yes, we are announcing the big offer alert. So what is that offer, sir? Yes, flat 25% off on all courses, including books and revision exams also. Okay. So what is a new thing, sir? Okay. This offer valid from 25th August to 31st August. Means 7 days. Yes, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. So total this offer will be valid for 7 days. Okay. Suppose on 25th, 70 students are registered. Either books also, both groups, revision exams, EVO batch, whatever it may be. Yes, from these 70 students, we will take one student as a lucky winner. How? Based on random softwares we have. Yes, already. From that, we will select one student. Yes, only one student. Whatever the fees he paid, that we can give it as a refund. Whatever the fees he paid, yes, we can give it as a refund. Yes. Sir, how much refund you are going to give? 100%. The same thing will be applicable for the 7 days also. So that means every day one student will be selected as a lucky winner and he will get the full refund. Sir, is there any minimum amount to purchase, maximum amount to purchase? No. If you enrolled for that classes on every day, yes, you can select as a lucky winner. Now, so here we can say there's a big chance to get the free classes also, or you can save. Either you can get classes at 100% free, or you can get the classes at a 25% discount. There is no lose. There is no losing also. Yes, always winning, save or 100% free. Now, one more thing. 7 days, 7 students, 100% free enrollment. Sir, how to register? Yes, simply you can visit to our website shikharatutorials.in. Within that website, you will get all the courses related details and you can purchase from that website also. And if you have any doubts relating to course purchases, etc., you can contact with the 630-990-1213. Again, I am repeating, this is an one-time offer we are providing from our side, 25th August, that means tomorrow onwards only, till 31st August. So, sir, is there any idea from your side? Mostly the sales will be picking up from these dates to this date. So 27th, I think we have a festival. So after that, yes, we can get the more number of sales. Remember, everyday sale. That means 25th sales related lucky draw or lucky winner announcement on that very next day or after the next day, depending upon the faculty schedule. Okay. So this is an announcement from our side. If you have any doubts, yes, you can contact with this number. Thank you. Have a nice day. Yes.